Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I actually have an exciting collaboration. It's actually with a brand called Zeelool. And I'm going to be reviewing 6 pairs of their glasses that they kindly sent over to me to review for you guys. And I just wanted to mention before I actually start showing you guys the glasses and what they look like on me, the ones that they sent me are blue light blocking glasses, but they do offer prescription lenses as well. So if you are interested in any of the frames that I do have, they have a wide variety of glasses and frames to match any type of style you may have, because your style might not be the same as mine. So you can go and check out their website. I'll leave it in the description box below, and they also gave me a coupon code, which is Shanice5, that will give you 10% off of your purchase. So let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, this is what the packaging looks like. They did send me the packaging with the Christmas edition, which looks like this. Let me give you guys a close-up. It looks like this, and it's so soft. It feels like suede, like they use suede, and obviously they have their logo there and it says Merry Christmas. So now I'll leave all the names of the glasses that I am wearing on the screen, and everything will also be in the description box if you do want to purchase any of them for yourself. So in the box is all the glasses, and they also included a leaflet that tells you the non-prescription lenses, which is the ones that I have, and they also sent across a ruler so that you can measure across and get your perfect length. The cloths to clean the glasses, just like this, and they feel similar to the glasses case, which I told you it feels like suede, but this is so nice and soft, so you can tell that it's gonna clean the lens well and it's not gonna damage it, like scratch or anything. And then they also gave me a $7 coupon off, so yeah, I'll be using that when I go to make a purchase. So the first pair of glasses I have is in the style Oakley, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna remove the film for you, but all the glasses do come with this protective film, obviously to protect the lens. And this is what the glasses look like. How cute! I think this is one of my favorite ones out of the glasses that they sent me, because I just love how sleek they look, and I love anything silver. Is just me. I love silver, and I love the clear frame, which means I can wear it with anything. Any outfit is gonna go with it. If I want to dress it up or dress it down, I can. I just want to get rid of any dust that is on the lens. Look how pretty! Guys, look at these glasses. Wait, let me move my hair out of the way. Guys, are you seeing these frames? That's why I was saying when I mean, like, you can literally dress it up or dress it down, or like if you had a cute little hairstyle like this going on and it would still look cute. Cute! Guys, look, and it's got the like a bronzy leg. I don't know what you call this part. I think it's the leg. You know, you guys know what I mean. The bronzy part on the side of the frame. Look at the lenses and look at the leg of the glasses. I think this is gonna be my favorite pair, because I feel like a little teacher or something. I literally feel like a teacher. I can wear them up like this if I want to take my hair out of my face. Look, you can wear them up like this and they still look cute. So this next pair of glasses, I actually cannot pronounce it, but I'm gonna leave the name on the screen as well as the rest of them. And it comes with a protective film just like the other one, and I'm gonna clean the frame. Here's the glasses, and I love how they've done the frameless detail on just on the edge here, but the rest of it has the frame. You can see it on both sides. It has that frameless detail, and they match my nails. They match my nails. Look. And then it has this detail on the side. It's like they encapsulated the glasses leg. Oh my goodness. This is not usually my style of glass. My lashes are hitting it. These are not usually my style of glasses, but I feel like they fit me really well. Like they look really nice on, and they frame my face in a way. Look how nice they are. What do you guys think? I think there's something different, and they'll add a different touch to your outfit. So if you wanted to change it up, or even if you just wanted to wear them like you're just going to the library, you're gonna study, or you just want to add something cool to your outfit, I feel like these glasses will add something. Like if you didn't want to wear jewelry and you just wanted this to be the standout piece, I feel like this would be fitted. But this is them up close. Cute. Now the next pair of glasses is called Dexter, and these have that like cheetah print, leopard print on the all around the top part and the sides of the frame. The bottom part is just clear. It almost gives it an illusion of like a frameless glass at the bottom. And this is what they look like on. And as I previously mentioned, these are all blue light blocking glasses. So of course they're going to protect your eyes when you're using the phone, laptop, TV, things like that. Any kind of device that you're using, they will help with that. I actually used to have a prescription lens that was blue light blocking, but I don't wear prescription glasses anymore. So these are ideal for me because they're not prescription, but they have the blue light blocking on them. And I like the shape of these glasses, how they go around like this. They're a bit similar to the last pair that I showed you. So the fourth pair of glasses is actually called Winston. And look how unique these are. It's like they have an X mark in the front of the glasses. I've never seen any pair of glasses like that. And then also the pattern that they have all around the frame. It's like it's got pink, black. It looks like a bit of blue. And I'm sure you guys can see the blue light blocking in the frame. You can see it is blocking it out. So cool. And I love the cat eye. I just like cat eye glasses. They're just, I don't know, I just really like them. Look how cute these are. This is what they look like on. And can you guys see how this part has a dip in it? It's like a curve in the leg of the glasses. This is so cool. I've never seen a glasses actually look like this before, so this is really nice. And I feel like it will fit to how the ear curves around, if you get what I mean. Look. I really like this. This is such a cool touch to the glasses and just makes it look so unique. So when you have your hair up like in a bun or a ponytail, it will stand out at the front and then also on the side. So this fifth pair is called Peyton, and I know I said the first one was my favorite, Oakley, but this one is actually my favorite. Look at the shape on this glasses, you guys. It kind of looks like a hexagon, like an incomplete hexagon, but look at it. And I love the clear, like the first pair. I love the clear because clear will go with anything. And this one, again, you can see the blue light blocking in these lenses. Well, you can see them in all of them, but I just wanted to mention it. Can you guys see? Guys, I love this pair. This is my favorite one. I know, as I said, the first one was my favorite, but this one is my favorite. Look at these lenses. And don't forget, you guys, if there's any pair that you see so far that you like, I do have the coupon that will save you 10% off your order, which is Shanice5. I'll leave it on the screen. But look at these glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna take these everywhere. These are so nice. This is the final pair of glasses, and this one is so nice. This is just gives me like holiday vibes, Christmas vibes, because of the sparkles in the frame. Look at them. It's like glitter is encapsulated in the frame, and then it's got the gold and the black with like this plum purpley pink color. That's the only way I can describe it. I don't know if it's showing true to color on camera, but that's the kind of color it is in person. It's really pretty. I really like it, and it fits my face perfect. And I forgot to mention, but all of the glasses that I've tried on have been really comfortable. They don't give you like, leave that awkward mark, you know, usually like if you have makeup on, it leaves a mark. They haven't done that, and usually that's what happens. And usually as well, because I have a really small nose, I don't really have much of a bridge, the glasses usually slide down my nose. So these have not been sliding down my nose, so I'm happy about that. Even the ones that had, you know, the different part in the middle, I forget what they call it, but you know that part that's in the middle of the glasses, even those were comfortable on my nose, and I didn't feel uncomfortable at all to wear. Let me know if you have tried any of Zeelool's glasses before, and if you have, did you try the blue light blocking glasses or the prescription glasses, and how did you find it? How was the shipping in your area? How was your overall experience with Zeelool as a company? Let everyone know in the let everyone know in the comment section below, and I'll be responding to all of you guys' questions if you have any, and also I will be reading to hear your feedback on what you guys think. But yeah, let me know what your favorite pair is. As I said, not Oakley, is it Oakley or is it Patent? I think it's Patent. Yeah, Patent, that clear one that's like the incomplete hexagon, that's my favorite glasses. But I really like these, and they're so clear. Like I don't know, I feel like my vision just looks more clearer when I'm wearing them, as like different for when I take them off. But you can see in the frame the blue light blocking. I really like this. These are really nice. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share it with a friend or a family member that may want a new pair of glasses, and let me know what your favorite pair was in the comment section below. I'll leave all the information in the description box, including my discount code and the direct links to the pairs of glasses if you guys do want to purchase any of them. But yeah, that brings us to the end, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.